Cognex Deep Learning is the first deep learning-based image analysis software designed to solve the most complex and challenging manufacturing inspections. Combining human-like intelligence with the reliability of machine vision, Cognex Deep Learning is capable of functions once considered impractical or impossible to automate, like defect detection. No two defects ever look exactly the same, making the use of rule-based vision systems difficult. As a result, many quality inspection processes are done manually. Cognex Deep Learning, however, is example-based. By learning all the normal variations found in good parts, it can identify bad parts and spot issues like defects on weld seams, irregularities in cylinder walls and piston rings, and defects in airbag stitching. Not only does Cognex Deep Learning find defects, it can also classify defect types. Is that defect a tear or a stain? Identifying the defect type right away better enables process improvements upstream. Deep learning-enabled classification can also count and identify parts, like these spark plugs. To do this, the software generalizes the defining features of a spark plug, its size, shape, and surface features, in order to count them, then uses color information to classify them by type. Optical character recognition, or OCR, can be difficult even under ideal circumstances. Lighting glare, distortion, and confusing backgrounds make it impossible for a machine vision system to locate and recognize characters. Cognex Deep Learning, though, includes a pre-trained font library that can be further refined on the factory floor with actual samples, helping it decipher hard-to-read or damaged characters more easily and reliably. Final assembly check of trim components is another process that has typically been done manually. The high level of complexity, plus frequent line changes, make this particular task hard to automate. By learning the appearance of each possible component, Cognex Deep Learning not only verifies proper assembly of a model, but can also quickly switch over to another model with ease. No reprogramming and no downtime needed to swap over the line. These are just a handful of applications where a solution like Cognex Deep Learning can be used to help automakers increase throughput and efficiency. To learn more about Cognex Deep Learning and its other toolsets, visit cognex.com/deeplearning.